2020 was expected to be a tough year for oil prices. The year started out at $60 a barrel. Today, we're at $20 a barrel, which the director of the Department of Mineral Resources says is barely a break-even price. He told KX News some forecasters say $10 is possible in the very near future. Renee Cooper explains how the global oil market, coupled with the start of the coronavirus spread across the U.S., is putting North Dakota's oil field employees out of work in droves.
Department of Mineral Resources Director Lynn Helms says 200 to 300 North Dakota oil field workers have already been laid off as a direct result of the coronavirus spread. Companies downsizing include MBI Energy Services and Sunwell Services.
I've been either working in this industry or working as a regulator of the industry for over 40 years, and this particular price drop is unprecedented.
Helms says we won't even realize the magnitude of it until we get overall rig and completion counts, which is 3 to 6 months away.
We're anticipating that we're in this for at least a year, maybe 2.5 years.
He expects a dramatic number of wells will become inactive very quickly, possibly 50 to 60% of them, leading to hundreds more layoffs in the near future.
Out of the 16,000 producing wells, probably 2,000 to 3,000 of those are marginally profitable, and so they're not economic at this point.
Job Service North Dakota told KX News just last week 18% of all new unemployment insurance benefit claims came from oil and gas workers.
We saw a fairly big rush of folks coming in yesterday. About 90% of people coming through the door in Williston yesterday were unemployment related, and about 90% of those were initial filings.
Hickel says many of these layoffs are temporary.
There's a lot of question marks there of if and when things pick back up.
We're praying for the best, that this is a short-term blip and that we can recover. Fortunately, the budget has been strong over the last few months. We're at about $100 million over budget right now, so that gives us a good cushion for the next couple months as we wait and see.
North Dakota Representative Josh Bechet is referring to the overall state budget. And because of an anti-gifting clause in the state constitution, lawmakers cannot give funds directly to citizens or employers.
It would be a matter of how do we support the infrastructure throughout the state, maybe through child care, health care, delivery services.
Is that a discussion that's happening at this point?
Right now, we're waiting for the federal funds to show up.
Helms says there is a plan in place in case oil companies end up filing for bankruptcy that will not burden the taxpayers. Reporting for KX News in Bismarck, Renee Cooper.
Helms says those working in natural gas or waste disposal shouldn't expect layoffs anytime soon. If you would like assistance looking for another job or need to file for unemployment benefits, Job Service is still open. In the event they close in the coming weeks, we have all the information you'll need to access resources on our website, kxnet.com.